Ready to ditch boring ads and create user-generated content that explodes online. In the next 90 seconds, I'm breaking down the secrets to crafting viral UGC ads that connect with your audience on an emotional level and get shared like crazy. First, storytelling is key. Forget the hard sell, think about a real problem your product solves, show the transformation it creates, and tell an authentic story from the customer's perspective. Make it relatable. Next, tap into emotions. People share things that make them feel something: joy, surprise, even a little bit of sadness. Showcase the emotional impact of your product or service. Now, for strategic distribution, don't just post and pray. Understand where your target audience hangs out: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc., and tailor your content to each platform. Use relevant trending sounds. Hashtags are your best friends. Research relevant and trending hashtags to boost your video's visibility. Don't forget to use hashtag viral ads and hashtag UGC tips. And that's it. Storytelling, emotional connection, and smart distribution, the three pillars of viral UGC. Now go out there and create some buzz. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.